We are back in Skye Canyon and we are touring through a model built by Pulte Homes that is chock full of features, and that tour is coming up for you right after the intro.
You and I could make it work now. If you and I just let them burn up. You and I could make it work now.
Hey residents, welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at builder model homes and existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. If this is the first time we've met on this channel, I really appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. If you do like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. And on today's video, we're headed back up to Skye Canyon. We are touring through a model built by Pulte Homes that's chock full of features. And I really hope you appreciate the design concepts that the designer put into this home. They did a farmhouse decor throughout the entire home, and I feel they personally did a fantastic job. But I'll leave that up for you to decide. Let us know in the comments below what you think as the tour goes on. But without further ado, let's get out there and get this tour started. Come on.
Alrighty guys, welcome back out to Skye Canyon, right off the US 95 in the northwest part of the Las Vegas Valley. Today we are back out in Pinewood checking out this Pulte Homes model. This model is called the Trento. It does feature 2,609 square feet that could be changed due to upgrades. It does feature from 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, a 2 or a 3 bay tandem garage, a covered patio, all starting at $431,880. This model does feature 3 different elevations. You have the A, the B, or the C, and this particular model is the A elevation. The landscaping in the front will be completed with the drip irrigation system. It'll be ran to the backyard for your convenience when you decide to do your backyard. The pavers that you're seeing on the walkway here will also be included, as well as on the driveway. They are using this model as their office, so keep that in mind as we're walking through. Let's go ahead, head straight on inside. And welcome inside the Trento, guys. Immediately, you're greeted into the foyer that has an optional tray ceiling right above. Right now, we are looking into the den. This is an optional bedroom, and it would convert the half bathroom right there to the left into a full bathroom. The den is 12'4" by 12'4". You do have an option of the double doors or French doors or a single door if you chose to have that upgrade. If you did choose to have the bedroom would be 9'8" by 12'4" with a third bathroom. The third bathroom does have an optional shower only with a 0 threshold. I love the decorations they have on the wall here. It's very interesting. Honestly though, I love the decoration throughout this entire home. The farmhouse look that they put in here is fantastic. Kudos to the designer. As we come from the foyer to the great room here, there is the entryway. They have a built-in drop zone here for you to put your purse or your boots or whatever you have in your hands. If you're coming home from the store, that's very, very convenient. I love the little shelves that they put in here. But this is where the garage entry is. You do have a 3-car garage on this particular model. The 2-car portion is a 20'3" by 19'11", and the tandem, which is sitting behind the 2-car portion, is 10'2" by 19'4". In lieu of the tandem garage, you do have an optional suite or bedroom with its own bathroom. The bedroom would be 10'1" by 11'1", and in the bathroom, just like the other room, you do have an option of a 0 threshold shower. Coming into the great room here, the great room is 14'9" by 16'10". And over here in the dining room, as they call it a café, is 14'4" by 13'7". Off of the cafe here will be your slider to the covered patio, which is 15 foot by 10 foot. And in the living room portion, you do have an option of a few different types of sliders. As the house comes, it will come with 2 windows. However, you do have an option to replace one of those windows with an 8-foot slider. If you wanted, you could get a multi-panel stacking slider or a 4-panel centered slider, which would be fantastic as well. Moving over into the kitchen now, we're looking at the quartz countertop that Pulte did opt to install. However, you will have an option between 2 different colors of granite countertops with a 5-inch backsplash. The stainless steel appliances will be included. You have an option to upgrade to a cook's kitchen, which will also include a stainless steel oven below the cooktop there. And then right over here is something that's exclusive to Pulte. They call it a PPC room, or Pulte Planning Center. And it's meant to be able to do homework, pay bills, do office work, that kind of thing. You do have an option to upgrade this to a flex space, which would create a room that's 10 foot 11 by 13 foot 7. You do have that really nice sized pantry there. And then to wrap up the kitchen, it will be included with a stainless steel undermount sink with a Moen pull-out faucet. And then some potential upgrades are going to be an accent ceiling. You could do a built-in refrigerator if you wanted to. You could have an executive size island, which would make a larger island, or even a dual waterfall edge. One last look over this gorgeous great room before we head on upstairs. And here we are up in the loft. This loft is 12 foot 1 by 13 foot 8. It can be made into a game room so that it would have its own wall. You have an option to have French doors, double doors, or either a single door or an opening on the game room if you wanted to have that done. You have an option of a balcony, which they do have installed on this model. Some of the other features of this model, you do have 9-foot ceilings on both the first and the second floors. In the entry, the kitchen, the bathroom, and the laundry, you will get 18 by 18 inch ceramic doll tile. And for the remainder of the home, you'll get Shaw carpeting. It'll have a really nice padding underneath it as well. We have a nicely upgraded 3 1/4 inch baseboards, which you can actually customize further at the design studio if you choose to. Coming down the hall here, we're headed into the first bathroom upstairs. This is a full bathroom. It is installed with the optional second sink. This vanity was a bit shorter. It's more meant for children. Real nice hardware on there. I like the brush nickel, it looks nice. And here's the laundry room. It does come with the shelving as shown here. You could choose to upgrade to cabinetry up above the washer and dryer, which I would recommend. There's a look inside the Smart Center. That's where you put your Wi-Fi, your router, things like that. When you go to the design studio, you'll be talking to a low voltage expert as well that will be wiring your house. You have an option to have Cat 6 rent all your rooms in your home, as well as the coax cable for your TV and such. Here's the first bedroom. This bedroom is 11 foot 1 by 12 foot 1. Has its own little walk-in closet. And right over here is another bedroom. It also has its own walk-in closet. However, this one is 11 foot 2 by 12 foot 9. Throughout this home, you will have a skip trowel finish on the walls. Really nice, has a really nice texture to it. It will be pre-wired for a ceiling fan in the gathering room and the owner's suite. I personally would recommend upgrading that for every single room that you have in the house. And you'll also get Cat 6 ran to the kitchen and the owner's suite. And speaking of the owner's suite, let's go ahead and head on in there. As it's modeled, it does have the owner's retreat that goes off to the balcony there. As it's modeled, the suite is 14 foot 2 by 13 foot 4, and the retreat is 14 foot 4 by 7 foot 5. The slider on the owner's retreat there is an upgrade as well. If you were not to have the owner's retreat, the bedroom would be 14 foot 2 by 15 foot 4. One nice upgrade that you could definitely do in here is you have an option to have tray ceilings put in here that would put a really nice accent on there. And a few of the final features of this home. It does feature decor rocker switches throughout the entire home. You will have a TX pest control system built into the walls, as well as a tankless water heater. Pulte has been building homes for over 70 years, so they have lots of experience doing this. And the home will also come with a 10-5-2-1 warranty, being that the 10-year structural, 5-year protection against infiltration and leaks, 2-year against plumbing, HVAC, and electrical coverage, and the 1-year will be for the workmanship and the materials. And here is the owner's bathroom. You do have quite a bit of options in here as well. You have an First off, you have a door that could be put onto the opening there. You have a framed shower, which be closed off with a wall, or you could do a glass shower if you chose to. Or even if you wanted to separate it out and have a shower tub combo, you could do that as well. Really nice sized walk-in closet here. And lastly, you'll get cultured marble in all the bathrooms throughout this entire home. And one other thing I forgot to mention when we were coming into the owner suite, you do have an option to have French doors put on there as well.
All right, residents, so what do you think of the Trento model? Did you enjoy the farmhouse look? Let us know in the comments below how you design your home. If you did enjoy this model and you want to tour it for yourself, feel free to give me a call, text me, or email me. I will be happy to meet you out there and we can get it toured together. If there's something else around the Las Vegas Valley that you want to see me tour by, say, a specific builder or a model in itself, let me know as well. I'm happy to get out there and do that for you. If you want to come along, I'll be happy to do it with you as well. And if you really did enjoy this tour, make sure you like the video. It does help out a lot so other people can discover this content. And if you do enjoy this type of content and you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single tour when I upload on Fridays. But as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Get me out of here.